top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Guys, welcome to another vlog. Yes, thank you for joining us. Can't even talk. So today we decided to take a little stroll. Can I say hello? You hear me start?
I fix up myself. Yeah, on this vlog. Very long time people miss me. What's going on, people?
Alright.
Who miss me? Put up your hands. I miss me.
Oh wow.
What's going on?
See, I'm near your style.
Woo.
New face, new place. Alright guys, so I'm trying to fluff out my body. And my puff.
So, word of advice when you're driving, always carry papers with you. That means if you steal a car, you got the papers, they don't have nothing, they can go scrap it. So,
alright, that is the word of the day.
Yeah. Always carry your papers with you. Don't leave them in your car.
Alrighty, so we are in Montego Bay, and we are in Montego Bay because we decided to come to the bowling alley that they have down here. So we're going to check it out. We have never been to a bowling alley. We have never done anything bowling related before. So we decided that we're going to come down and we're going to see how it's set up. We're going to see how it's stay and yeah, just enjoy the evening. So ensure that you guys like this vlog. Ensure that you leave a comment down below. Comment anything as I always say, and also if you have video ideas for us to do, you can go ahead and comment those as well down below. I see that you guys really enjoyed the prank that I did on Kim, so you can leave some ideas. And also follow us on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put my Instagram name on the screen. I'm going to put our Instagram name on the screen, so you can send me DMs, video ideas and stuff like that. There goes my flight. Oh my gosh. So yes guys, so we're gonna do bowling. We're gonna go bowling.
See bad machine there? Right? Straight orange down on my PNP place.
Hello, we car is not PNP nor JLP. So nobody put we car in that category. Alright guys, so we're going to see what the bowling has to offer. I'm not even sure if we're over on the right plaza, but we're at Iron Shore. So we're gonna walk around to see if we find the right place and thing. So stay tuned guys.
Okay, and outfit of the day number 1 goes to my wife Rakisha. Look at that, you see that? Let me show you. That's the poofy hairstyle. Turn up some lightness on her face. Go there. Let us see. Give me a pose. Yeah, sweet.
Alright, so we have the Jenna outfits. Yeah, look panties. Alright, man in a sharp pants and thing. Alright, straight white tees, white hands. Yeah, bling out now your blingings. Lord Jesus, who's this? Who's so hot? Who's so sexy? Lord Jesus. I'm not taking a picture, alright? Alright? Wait, hold on, I can't actually take picture. Alright, boss man, you're cute. Take care of it. Which not care which one?
Jam zone.
I said it name? Yeah, Hitman. You see bowling ball just now. I'm just not carry with tripod, then we couldn't take one picture. Go ahead. Bowl, eat, play.
Good morning.
Hello.
Where's the bowling alley? Right here. Right here? So, we place the dead. Early. we are YouTubers, so we have to be early. We need content. Or it's our first time. YouTubers. We are YouTubers. We are YouTubers. So we want to come and place up.
Yeah.
We want to come forward. So when people are here, we want to come in. So this is our first time. Push your walk. You have a key? How much? 14.
Per person. 14.50 if you go in. What's included in there? Oh, you just bowl anyhow long. Okay.
Bowl is free. And then after 30 minutes you have to come out.
They come back more time.
So much for more time. Hear that?
Oh, you not pay the same amount for 30 minutes? We only have the 30 minutes. That's gonna be enough content for you, eh?
Let's go to speak and people, more people come. I want to know exactly.
What time? Oh, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. We not come from boy here for the boy. You know, I'm be so long. Hotel, we have work tomorrow. What you mean?
No, that's alright. We can wait until 7. No, still look.
Last night we should not come, Ken. I mean, alright guys, so we just went in the place and the place not nobody where we would be the first person. There the thing is we would have to pay to, well, I'm not gonna hear what people them say and things, so I mean I really have to repeat what they say. But it would be better with more people. And 7 o'clock more people are come, so I think we probably wait until that time.
Yeah, we'll just see what happens.
And we see how
Long time we're not out, so
yeah.
we're finally out together. Why? It wasn't a plan thing. See, it wasn't a plan. I just bought the shorts because it looked really, really nice.
You know you always want to match me swag, Kim.
Where?
You always want to match me swag,
yeah, I'll go with here. I see me here group pass are.
Where? No, sir.
You guys buy my
I shrink mine shrink up. So.
Mine shrink too, because mine actually reaches.
Oh please, that's a lie. Alright guys, so when everything starts up, we're gonna eat something, we're gonna find something to eat over at Plaza here.
Today Sunday, I'm hungry.
So I'm gonna go eat and come back and...
How much food over here, so?
There's always KFC if anything.
Okay.
Alright guys.
I want KFC down there, so let's go.
Alright, later, so we see you back when we start to bowl or something.
Oh, you bowl like so?
And a cricket.
Oh.
Would be big? Dark. Oh, we have to size the shoes. 7.5.
Pure socks in there, sir. Pure socks in the window.
Bowling shoes.
That's silly.
They're new.
You never got new cam, really? You get new socks.
So we'll put them on, sir. Put them on, you can sit down and go. on the board you have Rock, -1, Kim at 7. So, Rock turn, let's go. Go on. Go down to the line. Don't lean.
I mean, next,
Let me see.
we still don't get no point.
What you keep on doing wrong?
I don't know. I'm gonna get one extra again.
Yeah.
T-Rock. So I was bad.
Anyone, just pick up a ball.
So they was on.
Alright. You see when you throw a ball, you have a straight throw like this. Try to throw over the side instead.
Over this side?
Yeah, don't throw it too hard and take your time. So, as I say, this is my first time bowling, but watch as many TV.
Alright, go on now.
Yeah. You still a throw it wrong. Seriously?
Me get one.
So, like seriously? So,
Man, be excited. At least me get one. Please.
okay, so.
What tutorial?
So, this is my first time bowling, and I don't know nothing about bowling. But what me do, I get a straight line with my arms, like so. You understand? So look at it.
About 4 points. About 4 points?
3. Yeah, again anyway. This time I got
Yeah, again, yeah.
This time I did everything.
Whatever. Well, I know I'm gonna dominate again.
Go ahead.
Alright, listen, must get a straight line.
Yes. Yeah. Don't lean. Keep stay behind the ball. Because you keep on leaning, and that's why if you lean the ball, I lean. You have to stay behind the ball, like stay behind the ball with a straight arm. Go on again. You'll get it. Alright, me see what your problem. A good try. So, see that? You get 7 points.
We get what?
You got 7
Pass
points.
ya?
No?
You pass ya?
No, we have 14. Yeah, 7.
You're hot though, brother. You're not hot?
Alright, let me see what happens.
No, yeah.
So we got 22 points. Rock and Cam. So Rakisha, she's actually doing her
I am
best.
struggling.
But
Strengthening. Oh, what is that? Help. Like kids.
maybe. Alright, come. So, come right here, son. You go throw like so. Straight.
That's what I did.
Look, your hand must straight. When you're done, your hand must straight. Like when you throw it, your hand must come back straight. So do it. Make your hand. So practice first. Without releasing the ball. Yeah, just like that. So, go on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, you have to done that. You have to done your round. So she have.
15 points yellow.
She finally have 2 pins. Leave. I want that or 2.
Oh, 1 pin left.
Then lick it on.
Let's get it. 7 points on chin.
You have to done this one. So just go on. And that the ball they use. Yeah. Alright, so she have 1 pin. So now let's get the stance. Okay, I have a specific way. Okay. Remember her arms straight and look at it.
Like the eyes can actually.
Yes, the eyes can control it. Alright, well, it's
15 points.
that's nice.
I'm building up. I'm getting there.
This is not for the Swift.
Alright. Boy, oh boy. What is happening here? Oh, guy. I could have one, guys. What kind of sorcery is this? You're not gonna wait. And then we can get one share. Alright guys, so we are finally home. Thank God we are home safely. So
25 minutes from Mobile.
Cam drive real fast. I'm not even gonna get into that at this point. On this setting. Anyways. It was a lot of fun today at the bowling. We call it bowling alley. It was a lot of fun. I'm not telling no lie. Even though it was just the 2 of us there, no other persons were there, it was a lot of fun because it was just our first time there and we really enjoyed it. Yeah, so yeah, basically we enjoy with it. Hope that you guys will enjoy the video as well. Give this video a like, thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Have you visited this bowling alley in Montego Bay as yet? When yeah?
Jam something.
Jam something, yeah. Jam something, yeah. Yeah, you'll see the pictures and stuff. Have you ever visited there before? Would you like to go? If you have not gone, you need to go. It is very fun. The cost and everything, I think that we have a clip where the lady was explaining the cost and stuff, so you will decide, you know, if you want to go there or not. My thought is that the money that we paid, it was just for half an hour. Half an hour comes so fast when you're enjoying yourself and stuff. So that was kind of a stretch. Like time could have a little bit longer for money. I don't know. But we had a good time and yeah. Alright guys, so guess what? We'll see you guys in our next video. Don't know when, don't know what it will be, but just stay tuned because we always have things brewing. We have things coming. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in our next video. Say bye, Kim.
Bye, goodbye.
Goodbye.